Hello everybody, I'm Esther and I live in a tiny house and I sew a bunch of stuff. And today I'm finally in possession of my fabrics. Let me show you. Not all the fabrics, just the one we're gonna use today is this one. Isn't it just stunning? It's called Strawberry Fields. It has strawberries and butterflies and flowers and leaves and I don't know. I love this fabric. It's almost shame that I'm just gonna make a pajama out of it, but I'm gonna make a pajama out of it, and I hope I can just place the pattern pieces just so that I can have a little bit more out of it than just a pajama. Perhaps make a bucket hat or something, I don't know. But I'm excited. The reason I'm going to sew a pajama is because it's necessary. It's very necessary. I have one pajama that I've had for 6 years or so, which is completely falling apart. The fabric is now so thin that you could blow on it and it just rips. It's not very wearable anymore. And the other one is, well, attacked by my bunny. She has the habit of when I go to bed or when I get out of bed to chew on the bottom of my trousers and basically creating the look of a cheap pirate costume. That's exactly how it looks. Don't ask me why she does that. Ask her. Phoebe, why do you destroy my pants? Why do you eat them? Well, that's that then. But anyway, I decided to make my own because, well, I have a very particular taste in what I enjoy wearing when I sleep. And my budget is not as big because I would like then to buy from a sustainable brand, and the pajamas that look as fit into the category of what I want to wear when I go to bed, but my wallet says no. So I'm gonna make my own, and I'm gonna use my old pajamas, yes, the one that's falling apart because that has been my favorite pajama so far, to make this pajama. How I did that? Basically I took apart the pajamas, which was quite a hard thing to do because the fabric is so, but I did it. And next step is to put those pattern pieces onto paper and then trace them on the paper. The reason I'm doing that and not directly on the fabric is because I probably want to make a second pajamas, but probably with shorts for the summer. So then I have that for when I have that fabric. But anyway, when I've done the pattern pieces, I'm gonna put them on this fabric and make it with this stunning fabric. Yeah, I'm so excited. That's what I'm gonna do, and then it's just figuring out from there what I need to do, what the next steps are, since there is no instructions with it. But it will be fine. I don't think it's very difficult. And I'm also excited to sew it with my machine instead of by hand, because my fingers still hurt. This fabric will be fine in my sewing machine. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Let's just figure it out together as we go. Hello. Ja, van mijn moeder is die. Fijne dag nog. So, a little update because things didn't went completely right. First of all, I went on sewing even though I was tired, so I made a few mistakes that I now need to fix. I may got confused by the up and down of the bands and sew the wrong area, but it's okay if you don't understand. I don't. And then there was another thing that, is still there, but gonna continue sewing with it, but that's that the sewing machine was starting to slightly malfunction. Well, it's 30 years old, so it's not like a surprise, but it's annoying because the tension of thread is not right anymore, and I tried everything to get it right, but it just doesn't do it. Like, I guess something is broken or it's dirty or whatever. It's not going to be the neatest work I've ever done, but I'm too impatient to wait for my other sewing machine, which is going to be here next week because my parents are just very sweet and they're willing to give me my birthday present early this year, and my birthday present happened to be a sewing machine of my own, and I'm just gonna get it early, and I'm just not gonna get anything on my birthday, which is fine. Birthdays are whatever. But yeah, I will finish this pyjama on this one because I'm too impatient, like I said. This week hasn't been the greatest because not only the sewing machine stopped doing properly its work, also my vacuum broke, as in it stopped vacuuming. So I got a new one. But plus side, that this one is better than the one ever was. Like, it's great. So yeah, what is now left to do is fix the pant leg because I messed it up because I was too tired, and I just need to stop earlier because when I'm tired I make mistakes. And, finish off the sleeves, attach the sleeves and attach the collar to the bodice, make buttonholes and sew on buttons, make the pants, put elastic in, etc. Like, those are the things I still need to do, which I will do this weekend. That's the plan for now. Yep. Sometimes things just don't go to plan, which is kind of all the time. But that's fine, I guess that's life. Hopefully next week, when this video is online, I have my new sewing machine and I can start sew my new project on a proper sewing machine that is fully functioning, which is nice. So, this is it. It's not perfect. This, I probably have to go over the stitches when my new machine has arrived, because I will insert a clip here where I show you the state of the stitches. It's probably not the strongest because just the tension wasn't right, but overall I think it's very cute and it definitely survived the night. The test run was wonderful. I slept good, a little bit short, but that's because I wanted to film this before I go roller skating, which means I have not much time to chat to you guys. But yeah, I'm keeping it short, but I do want to chat about something that I've planned for April, and that's, well, you guys know I have some problems with privacy, which you can probably see in this video, but also I made a video about the slightly less wonderful things about living in a tiny house. If you want to check it out, it's somewhere around here. And I want to go and get that sorted for summer, sort of. Like, I have some plans in my head about the outside area that I'm gonna basically do a makeover on, and I will film it and take you along with that. That's in April, but I just got news from my mum that she managed to get like a bunch of big branches from a tree that was chopped down where they live. So that's great because that fits in with the idea I have in my head for the place. So yeah, that's something you can look forward to if you subscribe. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like and a comment, and I will see you next week.